Cross to some news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is addressing the tech summit there. Listen in.
This innovative zeal so that we are even better prepared when the next challenge strikes. Friends, India's strides in the world of tech and startup are well known. Our nation is home to one of the world's largest startup ecosystems. Several unicorns have come up in the recent years. India offers what innovators and investors need. I invite the world to invest in India based on the 5 pillars of talent, market, capital, ecosystem, and culture of openness. Indian tech talent pool is famous across the world. Indian youth have given tech solutions to some of the world's most pressing problems. Today, India has 1.18 billion mobile phones and 775 million internet users. This is more than the population of several nations. Data consumption in India is among the highest and cheapest in the world. Indians are the largest users of social media. There is a diverse and extensive market that awaits you. Friends, this digital expansion is being powered by creating state-of-the-art public digital infrastructure. 523,000 kilometers of fiber optic network already links our 156,000 village councils. Many more are being connected in the times to come. Public Wi-Fi network across the country are coming up. Likewise, India is working actively to nurture a culture of innovation. There are state-of-the-art innovation labs in 7,500 schools under the Atal Innovation Mission. Our students are taking part in numerous hackathons, including with students overseas. This gives them the much needed exposure to global talent and best practices. Friends, over the past years, we have witnessed a lot of disruption in different sectors. Much of it is still there. Yet, disruption does not have the mean despair. Instead, we must keep the focus on the twin foundation of repair and prepare. This time last year, the world was still seeking a vaccine. Today, we have quite a few. Similarly, we have to continue repairing health infrastructure and our economies. We in India implemented huge reforms across sectors, be it mining, space, banking, atomic energy, and more. This goes on to show that India as a nation is adaptable and agile. Even in the middle of the pandemic, and when I say prepare, I mean insulating our planet against the next pandemic, ensuring we focus on sustainable lifestyle that stop ecological degradation, strengthening cooperation in furthering research as well as innovation, Friends, the challenges our planet faces can only be overcome with a collective spirit and a human-centric approach. For this, I call upon the startup community to take the lead. The startup space is dominated by youngsters. These are people free from the baggage of the past. They are best placed to power global transformation. Our startups must explore areas such as healthcare, eco-friendly technology including waste recycling, agriculture, new age tools of learning. Friends, as an open society and economy, as a nation committed to the international system, partnership matters to India. France and Europe are among our key partners. In my conversations with President Macron, in my summit with EU leaders, in Porto in May, digital partnership from startups to quantum computing emerged as a key priority. History has shown that leadership in new technology drives economic strength, jobs, and prosperity. But our partnership must also serve a larger purpose in service of humanity. This pandemic is not only a test of our resilience, but also of our imagination. It is a chance to build a more inclusive, caring, and sustainable future for all. Like President Macron, I have faith in the power of science and the possibilities of innovation to help us achieve that future. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Prime Minister talking about the power of technology, speaking about the fact that he's got faith as far as technology is concerned, and also that he puts his, in fact, faith behind Indian startups as well.
Talent pool is famous across the world. India.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is speaking at the Global Tech Summit there, talking about how technology has always helped, including during the pandemic, and technology essentially is the way forward, saying that he has faith on technology and also that startups is something that he's always going to encourage.